friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll show you how to cut cauliflower into florets. So here I have a head of cauliflower and I already washed it before making this video. So the next step would be to cut off the green part. So just cut it off. And once you remove the green part, just cut the cauliflower away from the core. So in the middle, the core, we're going to discard it. And now here are cauliflower florets, so we just need to cut them into smaller pieces. So this is small already. And this bigger one, I'm going to cut into parts so they're all the same size. So just continue doing it until all the cauliflower florets are separated and cut, and that's all. All done. So here's perfectly cut cauliflower. See how easy it was? I have lots of other videos showing basic knife skills, how to cut various fruits and vegetables. Check out my channel, and also lots of recipes using cauliflower on my website. It's MelanieCooks.com, and please subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.